Hey guys, I just thought I'd make a video on replacing upper control arms and or struts on a Crown Victoria, Grand Marquis or Town Car. This car is a 2007 Town Car, and just thought I'd make a quick video. There's lots of videos out there, but I guess I found an easier way, unless I'm doing something wrong. So I'll just go through it real quick. I should also mention I'm putting on new Moog upper control arms. There's part numbers if you want them. And the Monroe quick struts. So the driver's side is done. I just need to torque the upper control arm nuts. And I guess that's about it. So wait until I got through it to make this video in case I ran into something. But anyway, yeah, I didn't take the brakes off. I didn't take the stabilizer links off. They were all fine. Basically, all I did was, of course, this ABS, unplug that, remove that, or get it out of the way. And then I had to work on this upper control arm attachment point here to the knuckle, and then these two nuts for the control arm part of it, at least. So yeah, all I did was got through this, undid this, loosened those up, put the control arm up out of the way, and I just tightened these up just to hold it up a little bit. And that's about it. Then the knuckle swings forward. The only thing you need to be mindful of, I would say, is this brake hose. You don't want it too much pressure on that, pulling on it. So you could turn the wheel, this way, so this isn't pulling as far. But other than that, that's it. Yeah. So so this sits up out of the way. The knuckle comes forward. Undo your three nuts at the top and the one main bolt in the bottom, and that's it. You can wiggle that sucker right out. You might have to put a little bit of downward pressure on the rotor, like on the lower control arm, but that's about it. I didn't want to disconnect too many things because every time I tried to undo a bolt, it was frozen. I guess you live in the Rust Belt, that's what you get. So as you can see, I had to cut everything. I had to cut the strut out, had to cut the upper ball joint, bits and pieces. The one tool I did make, though, is I made this 6mm hex. I cut a little bit off the end so it could still fit in. I don't even know if you can see this. Trying to look through the camera. But basically, to get up in there, that won't interfere with this stabilizer link. It works. So you just get it up in there, and then you have enough clearance to hold that, and then you throw a wrench on there and tighten it. That was it. So I got the other side apart right now so I can explain it a bit better. So basically there's the strut, the old one, and I just have it kind of sitting half apart. But basically, pull that up, just tighten those nuts so it sits up out of the way, and then just let this thing down. Like I said, you might want to watch this, but like you can see, there's not really any weight on it. And then you just wiggle that thing right out. So that's about it. Just got to torque that stuff down, and as you can see, I have a little 3-inch spacer in there. I'm going to lift this Town Car 3 inches. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, but pretty straightforward. Every other video, people were taking the brakes off. Some people were taking the whole knuckle right off. Definitely the stabilizer. And I didn't do any of that. I don't know. I didn't see the need. But anyway, thanks for watching.